Vidisha, can I get the answer of yes or no from you? Okay, Ekram, can you please tell me the shape?
Ma'am, square.
Square. Okay. And this shape?
Ma'am, rectangle.
Okay.
Ma'am, this is square.
Wait. Akrishi, can you please tell me the shape of this?
Ma'am, square.
Akrishi is saying this is square. Who all are agreed with it? Give me thumbs up those who are agreed. Okay, Ira is agreed, Avika is agreed. Nobody else? Okay, so hard Arijit.
Rectangle square.
Avika, Sohad, Arijit, Gaurvangi, Pranchal, Anay, Ira, Parth, Akshaj, Vedant. Shad, I would like you to please be on the camera. Okay, so Ekam, you are not sure that this is square or rectangle. But if you all are having the things which are almost of the same shape, what you need to check whether it is a square or a rectangle, that I will tell you. See this shape, I think you all would be thinking that it is one shape. पर आपको ये पता है कि there are two types of shapes, so one is square and one is rectangle. No, it is not like that. What you have to monitor, if all the sides of this shape is equal, then it is a square. अगर ये कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट है जिसमें आपको कंफ्यूजन है, then what you can draw, what you can do is you can frame it out in your notebook and you can take your scale and you can measure. It will come all the sides are equal. If all the sides are equal in size, then it will be a square. Okay? Is there any confusion? When all the sides will be equal, then it will be a square. Now coming next is this, and I can show you one more thing, this. So can you all, who please raise your hand, who will tell me that these shapes are same or not? Listen to me, listen to me, listen to me. You will not answer like this.
स्क्वायर है बताना.
Call out your name.
Ma'am,
You have to write in the chat box. Listen to me. You have to write in the chat box that these two shapes are same or not. This is the diary and this is my jewelry box. So you need to tell me that whether these shapes are same or not. Please look it carefully. And please look it carefully. Now please write in the chat box whether this shape is equal or not. If yes, if है तो yes, अगर नहीं है तो no. Let's see. I'm waiting for your answers.
And in book, please show again.
In the chat box of Zoom. I think you have learned how to answer in your chat because we all are messaging you. Okay, I have
Can you show
received the
again?
messages. Wait, Akshad has replied no. Sohad has replied rectangle. Sohad, is both are rectangle as per you? Vidisha is saying no.
Ma'am, white box is square.
Okay, white box is square. Akshay says no. Parth is saying no. Arijit is saying yes. Okay. So I've not got replied from many of you, but still, from you all, I have received only one correct answer. That is Arijit. Yes, both of them are of same shape. I am not asking you about the size. My diary is bigger than my jewelry box. Yes, this is right. See, this is this much bigger. One finger gap. But both the shapes are same. Now why and how? Rectangle में क्या होता है? Two. Can you all see it properly? Is it visible? Okay. What happens in rectangle? Now square we have done that all four sides are equal in size. Now if we need to check the rectangle, then what will happen? You have to just assume. अगर आप assume भी करेंगे ना तो it will be very easy for you. आप draw करके check करना चाहते हैं, that's very good. You want to be sure or not, that's okay. If you draw this in your notebook, then what will you see? That these two sides are equal and these two sides are equal. So this is opposite of each other and this is opposite of each other. So in rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Rectangle, in again I'm showing you, in rectangle opposite sides are equal. These two sides are equal in size and these two sides are equal in size. Okay. Is anyone having any query with rectangle and square and rectangle? See, in your maths notebook, it is very easy to identify. But going outside your notebook, you should also identify whether it is a rectangle or a square. Because in whole life, you will not work in your maths notebook. Now, in maths notebook, how it is easy? You have boxes. If the boxes are covering 5 lines here and 2 lines here, it means these 2 lines are of same size and these 2 lines are of equal size. So this is a rectangle. For square in your notebook, it will cover the equal sizes. 2 lines this side, 2 lines this side, 2 lines this side. So it is a square. But it is also mandatory to recognize the shapes outside your notebook. Otherwise, you will only focus in your notebook and you need to check every time in your life that whether it is a rectangle or a square. But no, you don't have to go like this. Now, I will give you some examples and one by one, you all will tell me whether it is a square, rectangle, or circle. Starting from Akrishi. Akrishi, you have a pencil box. Can you show? Please show it again. See, your mama has brought a pencil box in which you can recognize the shape. Okay, can you please tell me which shape is this? Please keep yourself unmute right now.
Ma'am, rectangle.
Rectangle. How it is a rectangle asked for you? Can you please tell me?
From the line
Every line is not equal.
every line is not equal.
No, this is not the answer. Though every line is not equal, this is somewhere correct, but the answer should be that, ma'am, these two lines are equal in size, as I am able to see that it's ending from one point and starting from other point. Everybody can, I want everybody to see, bring their boxes on the camera. Please bring your boxes on the camera. Okay.
Ma'am, Arijit.
Shobh, I want your box to be on the camera. I can see you on air, not required to say ma'am.
Ma'am, I have three boxes. And parts box.
I can see everybody's box. Okay. Now you have to observe that, see, these two lines are starting from one point and ending from the other point. And you all can check that these two lines are equal. अगर ये लाइन यहाँ तक जाती और वो लाइन वहां पे फिनिश हो जाती, then it would not be equal. But as we can see that it's ending at one point, so it is equal. And these sides are ending at one point, so this is also equal. Now if you will measure it with the help of your scale, अगर आप इसको अपनी स्केल की हेल्प से मेजर करेंगे तो ये टू साइड्स जो हैं वो इक्वल आएंगी, इक्वल इन नंबर. अगर 5 ये आएगी तो 5 ये आएगी, अगर ये 20 आएगी तो ये भी 20 आएगी. It means opposite sides are equal. So Akrishi, you should answer that two sides are equal or opposite sides are equal. In rectangle, it is nowhere written that all the sides are not equal. No, this is not like that. सारी sides equal नहीं होती हैं, but opposite sides equal होती हैं. Am I clear?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Akrishi, am I clear?
Ma'am.
Okay. Now again I am telling you about square. If you will measure all the sides of the square, it will be equal. 5, 5, 5, 5. So in square, all the sides are equal. Now Gaurvangi, can you please show me your box again? I want to see your box. No, the one it is the one that is kept with you on your table.
Okay. It's not box, it's pouch.
But you have some glass kind of thing, I can see. I need to see that glass.
And this.
Please raise it high. Okay. Gaurvangi, if you will frame out the shape of it in your notebook, then what will be the shape? If you will keep this glass or whatever stand in your notebook and frame it out, means अगर आप उसको draw करोगे तो which shape you will get?
Triangle, ma'am.
Rectangle?
Circle.
You please empty your box first. The box which is kept just next to you, where there are many pens or pencils, I think, in it. This one. This one,
Yes, ma'am.
the one which is kept as a pencil stand.
Okay, ma'am. This.
Yes, this one. Empty it.
Ma'am, circle. Like this.
Yes. So which shape is this, Gorvangi?
Ma'am, circle.
Circle. Okay. That's what I was asking because you have first shown this one only. Okay. Hekam,
Yes, ma'am.
can you please tell me, have you ever eaten egg?
No, ma'am.
No. Who all likes to eat
Yes.
egg? Who all likes to eat egg? I like to eat egg. Akrishi, Pranchal, me, Ira, Ekam, but he has not eaten, he's saying.
Vegetarian.
Vedang, you are okay, Arijit is vegetarian. Vedang, you are making such weird face. You don't like, but it's very nice. It will increase your health also if you will eat that. You know?
Egg is body building.
Ekam, are you there? Can you hear me? Ekam, I would like to ask that what is the shape of the egg?
Ma'am. Oval.
Oval. Okay, is there coming back to so hard?
Yes, ma'am.
So hard is circle and oval are same. No. Okay. So the shape of the egg is oval and it is not as same as the circle. We have got this information from Sohar. Now coming back to Avika. Avika, what is the difference? Is there any difference between the bangle of your mother and the shape of the egg?
No, ma'am.
No, it is same.
No.
So that what I am asking. What is the difference? What you can see? क्या समझ में आता है अगर आप एग देखोगे और अगर आप बैंगल देखोगे तो क्या डिफरेंस लगेगा?
Ma'am. Ma'am, circle.
See,
सर्किल गोल होता है ओवल
this
कैसा होता है?
is the shape of a bangle and this is the shape of a egg.
ओवल कैसा है?
Oval.
Okay. Now Vaishnavi,
Yes, ma'am.
which color circle is oval?
Black.
Okay. Pranchal,
Yes, ma'am.
which color circle on the screen is oval?
Ma'am, purple.
Vaishnavi,
Yes, ma'am.
you were there yesterday in class.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you make the shape of the bangle in your notebook?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you try to recognize it at home? What shape was it?
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
When I ask something from any of you, then my voice goes off. Right now you are able to listen me, but as I ask some question, it goes off. Am I audible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Vaishnavi, am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
So can you tell me that you have named that shape in your notebook that was drawn with the help of your mother's bangle?
Yes.
Have you named it? Now I want you all to name that shape that was drawn with the help of the bangle yesterday. Ane, which shape was that?
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Ane, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Which shape was that? That yesterday was drawn with the bangle?
Ma'am, circle.
Okay, so everybody will write circle in the notebook where you have drawn that shape of a bangle.
Yesterday.
Vedang, stop eating your nails and hands. You don't have to do anything. You have to name that shape as circle. वो shape जो कल हमने bangle से बना था, you have to name it as circle because it is round. It is proper circle. Second shape, which was made where all the sides were equal, where all the sides were equal, is square. Square. Shad, are you there? Shad, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
What is there in that bowl? What is there in that bowl? Is it a breakfast time? Gorvagi, is it your milk time? I think you all have forgot your manners to stay in class. If you study in class, you keep on eating and drinking. You have whole day. We had class at 10. Nobody will drink anything except water if you want in class because you hardly have class for 35 to 40 minutes. Okay, the shape which was there, the second shape which you made where all the sides were equal, that is square. As we have discussed, if you will measure the shapes and all sides are equal, means barabar hai, so that is square. Now the third shape, some of you would have made with jewelry box, some of you would have made with box. You can try your box also. You can try it with your mobile phone because maximum mobile phones are of rectangle shape. So the shape which have two opposite sides equal. These two opposite sides are equal and these two opposite sides are equal. That is square. So now you can make it with your pencil box, with your phone, with your mother's jewelry box,
Ma'am,
or anything.
we will draw a rectangle.
If you have made, then please name it as rectangle.
Ma'am, I have drawn one.
Now the fourth shape, you have already drawn it yesterday, I think. You have to name it only now. The fourth shape was not drawn, which we have to draw now. That is the shape of the egg. Draw this shape in your notebook and name it oval. Who all have eaten pizza till now? I think everyone, I also.
Ma'am, I'm going. Ma'am,
Okay, now if you all eat pizza, I am not asking you to speak